Hi, I have in front of me here a selection of loose shield anchor bolts that we sell on tvtrade.ie. These are basically used for mounting heavy brackets that could be used possibly to mount a satellite dish or an aerial or something like this. I'm just going to cover within the loose range here, loose shield anchor range. We have three different types. So basically, you have the 8mm type here, okay, and we use a 14mm drill bit. We drill the hole in the wall. We put this in, and then we can use the bolt to tighten a bracket, such as, let's say, something like this H bracket into position. Okay, we can go for larger bolts such as this. Further up the range, such as 10mm. Now this will require a 16mm drill bit, okay? And generally you're going to mount heavier things with this. And if it's something that's heavy and has a very wide thick bracket on it, what you want to do is go for something that has a longer neck on it. So you can see here that this here will have a capacity of maybe about 15mm in terms of thickness and still be able to bolt into position. Where this, something like this here, will have 50 or 60mm. So you can have quite a large thick bracket mounted on it. So that's part of the range of the loose shield anchor bolts we sell on tvtrade.ie. Now along with that, we also stock another wide range of bolts. So we have the most commonly sold bolt for mounting Sky satellite dishes, which is the coach screw and plastic plug. We've thunderbolts as well. We've eye bolts here as well, which are quite handy for tying down stay wires, things like this. We have another type of shield anchor bolt, which is called the projecting bolt here. So instead of the bolt actually coming out, this bolt here sticks out permanently, and it's a nut that's undone, the bracket slid over it, and then we bolt it in the rest of the way. We have shield anchor or sleeve anchor bolts here, which is just a lower cost version of the shield anchor bolts. They're not as popular, but they're competitively priced products, so they have certain uses for it. Light brackets and things like that can be quite well mounted with them. We also have quite a range of SDS drill bits. We can see the main ones here that go from 6mm all the way up to 16mm, which cover for mounting bolts and that. But the drill bits come in lengths of up to 1 meter long, so we have a very, very comprehensive range of SDS drill bits. So that's it, apart from the overview of the range of the bolts that accompany our shield anchor loose bolts.